Hi traders, welcome back. This video is part of the Trading Basics series, and in this one we are looking at how to open a trade in MetaTrader 4. You can enter a trade by clicking the New Order button on the quick bar at the top of the platform. A small dialog box will open asking for more details about the position you want to open. You simply select the market you want to trade from the drop-down. Set the position size in the volume box. Set a take profit level and a stop level if you want to, and if not, leave blank. And lastly, choose what order type you want. Then press buy or sell to execute the order. You can also quickly enter a trade by using the one-click trade buttons. To turn them on, go to Tools on the quick bar, then press Options. Then check one-click trading, agree to the terms if you are happy, and press OK. The buttons will then be added to your charts. Simply click the small black arrow in the top left corner of the chart. If you want to hide them, simply press the arrow again. To use them, simply enter the position size you want in the little box and click either buy or sell, and your trade will be executed straight away. You will probably see a green line on the chart. It is trade open price. Currently, there is no stop loss, no take profit. There are many ways to add stop loss and take profit, but the simplest one is to click the green line and drag it up or down. Dragging up the green line in buy condition adds take profit. Dragging down the green line in buy condition adds stop loss. All the open trades you have will be displayed in the terminal window at the bottom of your platform. If this window isn't open, simply press the terminal button on the quick bar at the top of the platform. Then press the Trade tab on the terminal window and your open trades will be displayed there. The Trade tab contains information about currently running trades. Trade ticket number, time, type, size, symbol, price, stop loss, take profit, price, commission, swap, and profit. The account history contains information about the closed trades. You can view profit of closed trades from here. The Experts and Journal tab contains logs and errors. Keep checking these two tabs for more information. That wraps up this video. I hope you have found it useful. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to drop a like on it. If you have any questions or want me to cover any other topics in future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. I will be continuing this Trading Basics series to provide new traders with all the knowledge they need to get started. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a good trading week.